It was a beautiful sunny day. Ethan looked down. Biscuit was gone.
This is Ethan's family. They love their little dog, Biscuit. Today, they go to the park.
You already saw the results, guys, so don't skip this video. Today, I'm bringing you two powerful free AI tools, one for image generation and one for video generation. These tools can help you create the same type of viral 3D animated story videos that are getting millions of views. Without wasting any time, let's jump straight into the video. First, take a look at this channel called Emma Daily English. With only around 40 uploaded videos, the channel has gained more than 400 subscribers and is generating revenue every month. According to the available analytics, several of its videos have reached millions of views. Some videos have crossed 4 million views, while others have gained millions more. What's interesting is that these are very simple 3D cartoon-style story videos. Now let's look at another channel, DG Daily English. This channel is also receiving thousands of views on many of its videos and continues to grow steadily. The important point here is that these channels are monetized and operating successfully within the educational storytelling category. Many people claim that this type of content cannot be monetized, but these examples clearly show that educational animated storytelling can be monetized when done correctly. The best part is that creating these videos has become much easier with AI. I already have a powerful master prompt designed specifically for generating complete animated family stories. This new version is even better. It creates full story structures, complete scenes, character sheets, image prompts, video prompts, and voiceover scripts automatically. The link to the master prompt is available in the description. Now, instead of using ChatGPT, I recommend trying Claude AI for this particular task. While ChatGPT is excellent, Claude often produces more consistent story structures, character descriptions, and scene prompts. Simply open Claude AI, paste the master prompt, and click Generate. Generation process usually takes 2 to 3 minutes. It may not be as fast as ChatGPT, but the quality and consistency of the generated scenes are often impressive. After a few moments, your complete storyboard will be ready. For example, the AI generated a story called The Lost Dog. It included a complete story summary, detailed character sheets, multiple characters, 10 fully structured scenes, professional image prompts, cinematic video prompts, and matching voiceovers. Each scene flows naturally into the next, creating a smooth and engaging storyline from beginning to end. Everything is organized professionally and ready for production. Now let's move to the content creation tools. The video generation tool we'll use today is TikTok Symphony Creative Studio. This is a powerful free tool that provides daily credits for content creation. Simply create a TikTok business account, log in, and you'll gain access to the available credits. In my testing, image generation can sometimes be limited due to content moderation filters, especially for certain story scenarios. Because of that, I prefer using a separate image generation tool. For image creation, I use Flow AI. Flow AI is one of the best free tools for generating high-quality animated story images. Simply log in, choose your preferred model, select your aspect ratio, copy your character prompt, paste it into the generator, and click Create. You can generate images in 16:9, 9:16, or even 1:1 format depending on your project requirements. Personally, I recommend 9:16 if you're creating YouTube Shorts, TikTok videos, or Instagram Reels. Once you add the character prompt and scene prompt, the AI begins generating images automatically. As you can see, the results closely match the style of the successful channels we looked at earlier. The scenes are colorful, consistent, and visually appealing. One by one, the AI generates each image, making the entire process extremely simple. After all your images are ready, you can move to the video generation stage using the free tools we'll cover next. Now let's move on to the video generation process. Simply open TikTok Symphony Creative Studio and click on Video Generation. From there, select the image to video model. This step is very important because we'll be turning our generated images into animated videos. Upload your first image, then go back to your storyboard document and copy the first video prompt along with the voiceover. Paste it into the prompt box. Make sure first frame only is selected. Choose a 10-second duration and then click Generate. Sometimes you may see an error saying that the content may violate community guidelines. Don't worry. If that happens, simply adjust the prompt slightly and try again. In many cases, certain words or scene descriptions can trigger the filter, so a small change is usually enough to solve the issue. As you can see, my first video is now ready. The result looks fantastic. With smooth animation and a professional cinematic feel, you can repeat the exact same process for the remaining scenes. Upload the image, paste the corresponding video prompt, and click Generate. Within seconds, you'll have another animated scene ready to use. Occasionally, the voiceover may not generate perfectly, or it may appear in the middle of the scene instead of the beginning. If that happens, don't worry because we'll handle everything during the editing stage. Now let me show you another tool that I personally like even more. The next tool is Flow AI, an all-in-one AI creation platform. The model we're using today is OmniFlash, which can generate videos up to 10 seconds long while using only a small number of credits. Simply select your preferred aspect ratio, upload your image, paste the video prompt, and click Generate. As soon as you click Generate, your video will start processing. Within a couple of minutes, the result will be ready. And honestly, the quality is impressive. Here is my first generated video. Take a look at how smoothly the characters move and how naturally the scene comes to life. The animations feel much more dynamic and cinematic. Let's generate another scene. I'll upload the next image, paste the matching video prompt with the voiceover, and click Generate again. Wow, look at this result. The scene looks incredibly good, and the character movements feel much more natural. Sometimes the model may create a slightly realistic look instead of maintaining the exact 3D cartoon style. If that happens, there's a simple fix. Just add the instruction, please keep 3D animation style. This small addition helps maintain a consistent cartoon style appearance throughout the entire story. As you can see, my available credits have now been used. The good thing is that you can simply sign out, switch to another account, and continue generating more scenes. After signing in with a different account, create a new project, upload the next image, paste the video prompt with the voiceover, add the phrase "please keep 3D animation style," and click Generate. The best part is that each video usually takes only a couple of minutes to generate. One by one, all of your scenes will be ready. The quality is excellent, the animations look smooth, and the entire process is surprisingly simple. Once all of your videos are generated, it's time for editing. For editing, open CapCut and import all of your generated video clips. Arrange them in sequence according to the storyboard. Next, go to the transitions section and apply a simple black fade transition between scenes. Avoid using flashy transitions because simple transitions usually look more professional for storytelling videos. After that, open the audio section and add an emotional background music track. Lower the music volume to around 21 or 22 so it doesn't overpower the narration. Now move to the effects section and add a few subtle effects where needed. Small effects can make scene changes feel smoother and more engaging. The next step is captions. Open the Auto Captions feature and generate captions automatically. Once they're ready, choose a caption template that matches your video style. Personally, I like using bold caption styles because they're easy to read and help keep viewers engaged. Now watch the final result. The transitions are smooth, the scenes flow naturally, the voice-over sounds great, and the entire story feels professional from start to finish. That's exactly how we generated the images, converted them into videos, and edited everything together into a complete animated story. The only thing left now is uploading and SEO. In my previous video, many people asked for a complete tutorial on uploading and ranking these videos. If enough people are interested, I'll create a detailed 20 to 22-minute guide covering everything from image generation and video creation to editing, uploading, SEO settings, and the best posting times for a USA audience. So if you'd like to see that tutorial, let me know in the comments. I hope you found today's video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to Skill with AI because even more powerful tutorials are coming soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.